Whew. Hey guys, Nolan here. Featured hike for May 13th. We're here at Beamer. Just left the parking lot. Just doing a lookout trail. Nice, simple, good views. Make sure you're safe here. But yeah, not too long, we'll get into it. You can go left or right here. I'm gonna go right. Usually I go left first, but we're gonna do opposites today. Okay, here we're going left. Now, that I think is the Beamer Falls side trail. Right there's the Moose Main Trail. And oh man, it's windy. Okay, here, Bruce Trail goes right. We're continuing straight. Okay, so you gotta make sure you don't go back whatever way you came from, because here's that sign again. So just make sure you head back this way, or you'll just keep going in a loop. But that's where I'm gonna end it. Pretty nice. Make sure you're safe. Pretty dangerous here, I would say.